We are pleased to show you the 2024 Accord Hybrid. Honda Accord Hybrid is a thrusty mid-range punch. About 600 miles on a tank full, comfy space for 5. A hushed voice. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, backup camera, Bluetooth, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather wrapped steering wheel, compass. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.